Today, November 28, 2025. 2 days before, November 30, 2025, birth anniversary of Supremo Andres Bonifacio, the first Secretary of the Philippine Local Government, the Department of the Interior Local Government. Saint Therese of the Child Jesus, who called me here in Nice, France. Now I am here, and she woke me up to offer this poster entitled Panata sa Kalayaan na May Puri at Kabanalan, Federalism as prophesied by saints and heroes. And here, on November 30, birth anniversary of Supremo Andres Bonifacio, your humble professor from the University of the Philippines in Diliman, Quezon City, is asked by Saint Therese of the Child Jesus, who, in a dream, on January 2, 2005, her birthday, I had a dream of the heritage site in Montalban, Rizal, where Supremo Andres Bonifacio made his pilgrimage covenant, Holy Week, April 1895, Panata sa Kalayaan na May Puri at Kabanalan. And here in Nice, France, on November 30, 2025, the Knights of Rizal in Nice, France, will share with you how to realize federalism as prophesied by saints and heroes. Amen.